Everyone, turn the Bible to that page that we're going to read right now. We're going to say that is wonderful. We're going to say that is a man that we can remember. But if modern people trying to change the way that we do things, those boys out on road that love to say them have many women. Let I tell you, son, this is enough in the church of God. I have many wives. I believe they call themselves Giannis. I am a Giannis. Maybe I have your girl and you don't know. Every day, these lovely ladies come into the church, sing at the front, and their ladies are. What? You don't know how they preach.
Preach what I preach.
But they know what they want. They take my number to WhatsApp.
Yes, Pastor.
Right?
Yes, Pastor.
You don't hear it. Both. Them on WhatsApp. On the same thing. You see the SMS. Jesus!
Preach, Pastor, preach. Amen. The Spirit. Hey.
Shut up! Some of these men. They must say they have their rights. My ex-man take it from them. So sad, huh? So sad. You know what I mean? But my friend, I got to tell you something. I got to tell you something.
Tell them, Pastor, tell them.
Some man nowadays. No one see them girl, I want the brother. The fish never love you alone, you lick your egg.
Hey!
Jesus! We take it back. We take it back. Melanie. Good. That pastor. There's a fancy pastor. Look at my hair now.
Yeah!
Money isn't all, worse when life is gone. Little girls and little boys, sing this song with joy. Money isn't alright, but getting it is alright. The cheddar,